Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to say something about FM method. When I was in class 6, I couldn't speak in English properly because I was frightened and weak in English. One day, my maternal uncle suggested me to be admitted to FM Institute. Then I was admitted at FM Institute Kumilla campus, and now I can speak in English properly. The importance of learning English can't be described in a word because it's an international language. Nowadays, if we want to get a good job at home and abroad, we have to learn English. Besides, all the international seminars and meetings are held in this global language. It is an official and semi-official language in more than 60 countries. The fax, internet, Facebook, all these are also in English. So we can see that English is very essential. I could realize its importance after being admitted to FM Institute. There are some specialties in FM method, such as it is a scientific way to learn English. Here English is taught on the basis on our mother tongue Bangla without memorizing the grammatical rules or tenses. As English is taught here by following some easy formulas, so it is very easy to keep in mind. All the grammatical rules are set in the formulas, so grammar is not needed to memorize here. I attended the course when I was in class 6 and now I am in class 8. FM method helped me to secure the highest number in my English examination. I don't have to memorize the answers of the questions, grammars or the tenses. We, the students of a general education system, are so unlucky that we are deprived of this easy and scientific way. As a result, many students of our country are unable to build their bright future. To build an educative and talented human resource, I want to request our government to take some initial steps to apply this FM method in our educational system. As a result, the students of our country can be skilled in English and can take part in the welfare of the country. So I request all of you to come under the umbrella of FM method and be a talented human resource. No more today. Thank you so much for listening me. Thanks a lot.